Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu states on the day of the battle of Khaybar, my brother audaciously fought along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but by chance his sword rebounded and hit him and he got martyred. The companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam criticized it and expressed doubt in the martyrdom of that person who gets martyred with his own sword. Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anhu said, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned from Khaybar, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accord me permission to utter war cry. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted me the permission. Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, recite it carefully. I then recited, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, but for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu's help, we would not have been guided, neither we would have paid poor due, nor we would have performed prayer. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you have spoken the truth, and send down tranquility upon us, and keep us steadfast while confronting the infidels. And undoubtedly the polytheists have assaulted us. When I had completed this war cry, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, whose poetic verses are these? I submitted, my brother Amir has composed them. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower His mercy on him. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the people are feeling hesitation in performing his funeral prayer, saying that he has died with his own weapon. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he is a knight and has got martyred while fighting a jihad. Zuhri says, I asked one of Hazrat Salama's sons. He whereupon reported this narration from his father in the same way. However, he said, when I said that the people were feeling hesitation in performing his funeral prayer, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, they tell a lie. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he is a knight and passed away while fighting a jihad, and he will earn a twofold reward. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then joined his two fingers. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4645.